Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and confused when it comes to managing your finances? Do you want to take control of your money and make informed financial decisions? If so, then it's time to start building your financial IQ. When you have a strong financial IQ, you understand key financial concepts such as budgeting, investing, saving, and managing debt. This knowledge allows you to make informed decisions about your money and avoid common financial mistakes. Without a solid understanding of financial concepts, you may make costly mistakes, such as overspending, investing in high-risk assets, or failing to save for emergencies or retirement. You'll be able to take control of your finances and make smarter decisions about your money. You'll be able to save more, invest wisely, and create a solid financial plan that aligns with your goals and values. We at Finance Aligned are committed to help you learn the true importance of financial knowledge as well as the practical things you can use every day. In today's video, we will share with you 15 practical ways to increase your financial IQ. But before we get started, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can join a community where learning about finance is welcomed and encouraged. You can also click the notification bell so that we can notify you whenever we post new videos online. Now that we've got that covered, let's get straight to the video. 1. Read financial books. Reading financial books is a great way to increase your financial IQ as it allows you to learn from the experiences and knowledge of financial experts. By reading books written by financial gurus, you can gain insights into key financial concepts, investment strategies, and personal finance management. Financial books are written by experts who have extensive experience and knowledge in the financial industry, and they can provide you with invaluable advice and insights into the world of finance. 2. Attend seminars and workshops. Attending seminars and workshops conducted by financial experts will help you to learn and update your knowledge. They're designed to provide practical and actionable advice on various financial topics, such as investing, budgeting, and debt management. They also offer a platform to learn from experts who have extensive experience and knowledge in the financial industry. These events offer a chance to ask questions, engage in discussions, and network with other attendees who share similar interests and goals. 3. Subscribe to financial publications. Financial publications can provide readers with up-to-date information, expert analysis, and practical advice on various financial topics. Readers can gain insights into market trends, investment strategies, and personal finance management. It can also help readers develop a habit of staying informed about financial matters, which can be useful for making informed financial decisions. 4. Take online courses. Online courses are a great way to increase your financial IQ as you can learn at your own pace and convenience. Online courses can provide learners with a structured and focused learning experience that can help them acquire new skills and knowledge related to finance. These courses are often taught by experts in the field who have extensive knowledge and experience in the financial industry. They can be flexible, allowing learners to study at their own pace and on their own schedule. 5. Hire a financial advisor. There is nothing more valuable than experience, and financial advisors have that. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and advice on various financial matters, such as investment strategies, retirement planning, and tax optimization. They can also help clients develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. They can explain complex financial concepts and provide guidance on financial decisions, which can help their clients make more informed choices about their finances. 6. Learn to budget. Budgeting is a crucial skill in managing your finances regardless of age or financial status. Budgeting is the process of creating a spending plan that aligns with one's income and financial goals. It helps individuals track their expenses, prioritize their spending, and save money for the future. Budgeting helps individuals identify areas where they can cut back on expenses and save money, allowing them to allocate their resources more effectively and avoid debt. Learn to create a budget that works for you and stick to it. 7. Use financial management tools. Use financial management tools such as apps and software to keep track of your expenses and savings. Tools such as budgeting apps, investment calculators, and retirement planners can help you understand your financial situation and make informed decisions about your money. These tools provide insights into your spending habits, investment options, and long-term financial goals, helping you to develop a better understanding of your finances. You can identify areas where you can save money, track your progress towards your financial goals, and make informed investment decisions. 8. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth. By investing in the stock market, you can learn about different companies, industries, and investment strategies, helping you develop a deeper understanding of the financial world. Investing in the stock market can also provide opportunities for long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. However, it is important to do your research, diversify your investments, and understand the risks involved before investing in the stock market. 9. Diversify your investment. Diversifying your investments is a key strategy to spread the risk and minimize losses. You can gain exposure to different industries and markets, helping you develop a deeper understanding of the financial world. Diversification can also help you minimize losses and maximize returns over time. It's important to work with a financial advisor and regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it remains diversified and aligned with your financial goals. 10. Learn about taxes. Taxes are important as an individual and a citizen of your country. Understanding your tax system and how it affects your finances is important. It can help you minimize your tax liability and maximize your after-tax income. By learning about tax deductions, credits, and strategies, you can make informed decisions that impact your financial health. Additionally, understanding tax implications can help you make smarter investment decisions and plan for your long-term financial goals. 11. Network with financial professionals. Networking with financial professionals can provide you with valuable insights and opportunities. Networking can also provide opportunities for mentorship and guidance, helping you develop a deeper understanding of the financial world. Networking can also help you build relationships with professionals who can provide valuable recommendations and referrals. It's important to be proactive in seeking out networking opportunities, such as attending financial conferences, joining professional organizations, and participating in online forums. 12. Monitor your credit score. Your credit score affects your ability to borrow money and obtain credit. Understanding your credit scores and the factors that impact them can help you make informed decisions about borrowing, investing, and managing your finances. Regularly checking your credit reports can help you identify errors or fraudulent activity, protecting you from financial harm. By monitoring your credit scores, you can identify potential issues early and make steps to address them before they become major problems. 13. Set financial goals. You can create a roadmap for achieving your desired financial outcomes. Setting financial goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your long-term financial success, and can also help you prioritize your spending and investment decisions. It can also help you identify potential obstacles or challenges and develop strategies for overcoming them. It is important to regularly review and adjust your financial goals as your circumstances change and your priorities shift. 14. Learn to negotiate. Learning to negotiate is a valuable skill for increasing your financial IQ. It can help you save money, increase your income, and achieve better financial outcomes in a variety of situations, such as when buying a car, negotiating a salary, or working with a financial advisor. Negotiation involves understanding the value of different goods and services and being able to articulate your own needs and priorities while seeking to understand the other party's interests. You can develop more confidence in your financial decision-making and improve your ability to achieve your financial goals. 15. Keep learning. The financial landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies, products, and regulations emerging all the time. By staying up to date with these changes and seeking out opportunities to learn more, you can develop a deeper understanding of how the financial system works and how to make informed decisions about your money. One of the most effective ways to increase your financial IQ is to constantly learn about the topic. You can do this by watching videos like this or reading books that will help you to do so. Speaking of books, we have a separate video you can watch as shown on the right. It's entitled Personal Finance Books for Beginners, and we will give you book recommendations you should definitely read. Go ahead and watch this video now. That ends our video for today. We hope you've learned a thing or two. If you did, please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, and reactions. If you want similar videos, do not forget to subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. Until next time, bye!